In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a clean Notion reading list. We'll be using a ready-made template from the Notion Marketplace, so you don't have to design anything from scratch. By the end, you'll have a simple, organized place to store all the books, articles, and links you want to read, and you'll be able to start using it right away. First, open Notion on your computer. Look over to the left-hand side of your screen, where you see your workspace and pages listed. At the very bottom of that sidebar, you'll find an option that takes you to the Notion Marketplace. Go ahead and click on that. The Marketplace is where Notion keeps all of its templates and add-ons, so it's the perfect place to quickly set up something polished and clean. Once the Marketplace opens, you'll see a search bar near the top of the page. Click into the search bar and type Reading List. This will filter all the available templates down to ones that are designed for tracking books and reading. Give it a moment to load and then look through the results that appear. From the search results, find the Notion Reading List template. It's usually labeled clearly and may have a description mentioning tracking books, authors, or reading status. When you see it, click on the template card to open its full details. This will bring you to a page that shows a preview of how the reading list looks, along with a short overview of its features. On this template page, look for the button that says Add or Use this template. Click that button to add the reading list into your own workspace. Notion may ask where you want to save it, especially if you have multiple workspaces or shared spaces. Choose the workspace or area where you want your reading list to live, ideally somewhere easy to find, like your main workspace, or a dedicated reading section. From here, simply follow the on-screen prompts. Notion might guide you through a quick setup, such as confirming the workspace or giving you a short tour of the template. Accept the default options if you're unsure. You can always customize the database views, properties, and layout later. Once everything is done, your clean Notion reading list will be ready to use, and you can start adding your first books and articles right away.